Hello. Good morning. Hello and welcome. The 11th edition. We are so glad to be here right now because we have to be honest, it has been a very difficult year for us as an organization. Last year we had the 10th edition. We really hyped up to the 10th edition. We put a lot of efforts in there. And it's not like we didn't want to put a lot of efforts in the 11th edition, but it was just a difficult year for us as a crew. So some people got married, some people took other jobs, which made them obviously have other priorities in life, and that's not always easy. But I'm not here to share only negative news, but I just wanted to tell you guys this, that we're so glad we're here and we're so glad to see that we've kicked it off. So, second of all, again, this year we sold out much quicker than last year. So it took us about 3 weeks, little over 3 weeks, and we were sold out. Last year it was about a month and a half before we completely sold out. And we actually sell out all our tickets again before we publish any schedule. This is to us a very positive thing, because we know that you guys trust the schedule we're going to build later on, and you buy tickets anyway. Or you just buy it because we have beer. That could be also a reason, right? So it's hard to judge. But then again, thank you again for being here in such great numbers. Thank you again for all the support. I mean, we really love doing this. We're all volunteers, but we're always so happy whenever we started BruCON to see this in the morning, seeing the amount of people coming up to us and saying, hey guys, we love doing this. And thank you again.
So, and on that note, you have people in red and orange shirts. So the people in the red shirts are more the crew. The orange shirt people who are volunteering. It's thanks to all of them, all of their time, all of their effort they put into this, that we can arrange a BruCON like this. So please give them a round of applause. Okay, then a few practical things. So tonight we have our mentor-mentee night. This year will be in the Novotel again, but in the basement. The idea is a bit that you subscribe. You can do it there on the spot or beforehand via the website. And then we have a nice interconnecting where you can talk to other peers, really to look for mentor-mentees, see if you can help them out, if you can help each other out, where to go in the IT security career field. And then all of you got this fancy badge. You heard there is a temporary firmware on this, so our badge guy, Jean-Josh, who worked through the entire night to get this working, he is working through the entire day to get a more version of the firmware ready with more features. We will announce it on Twitter and say it here when it's ready. In the ICS village, you'll be able to go to flash your badges with the up-to-date firmware and everything. But for now, it's already working partially. You can see the map. You can see the schedule, so that's the basic functionality. If any one of you want to help out, we will open the Git repository as well. You can push code. If you would be up for helping next year, also let us know. Tonight there also will be a party. It will be in the same location as last year. It's Le Bateau. All information is in the booklet. So you can find there, and we hope to see you all tonight. Okay, I think that's about it.
Yeah, speaker number.
Yeah. Okay, enjoy the conference. Have fun. If there are questions, come and find us. Enjoy BruCON.
Thank you.